How to make a WordPress blog for beginners in 2023, step by step. Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the process of creating a WordPress blog from scratch. Now, before we begin, let's understand why WordPress is the most popular content management system for bloggers. WordPress is pretty easy to use. It has a wide range of customization options and is extremely search engine friendly. Now, firstly, to get ourselves started, we need to first off choose a domain name and a hosting provider, because like the first step in creating a WordPress blog is to choose a good domain name and a hosting provider. A domain name is the web address of your blog, which is like something which is going to be in your URL, and basically the hosting provider is the company that provides the server where your blog will be hosted, because without that you will not be able to host a blog. You can choose your domain name from various providers such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Bluehost. Now once you've chosen your domain name, you can select a hosting provider that meets your needs and budgets. We recommend Bluehost as it is one of the most reliable and affordable hosting providers. Now once we've configured all that out and made sure that you have a proper domain name, what we're going to do is we're going to head into the main whatnots, which is, getting into WordPress. Now, to get into WordPress, obviously, you're going to need a proper full-fledged email and stuff like that. So I'm going to be using a temp mail for my email, but you can use your main email, doesn't matter. So once we're here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on Get Started. Now, once you click on Get Started, what it's going to do is it's going to bring you here to this email address section. So I'm just going to go ahead and add my email addresses. You're going to add any random username, doesn't matter. I'm just going to add that, and then make sure to add a good strong password. And once you're done with that, you're going to click on create your account. Now, let's say you do not have a domain, or you don't want to, put money on a domain right now because you're not so sure that you actually want to pursue making a blog. Then don't worry, because WordPress provides you with free domains as well. So let's say you're making a blog, right? Or blog for electronics. So let's say I'm going to write blogger electronics. Once you do that, as you can see, WordPress gives you all these recommendations. You can choose these, but they're going to be free for the first year, but you're going to have to pay like $22 per year, which is it's pretty good. So it's a steal, to be honest. Now, you can also just choose WordPress's free domain. It's not so attractive, but hey, that's what you get for free, and trust me, it's amazing. Now, once you're here, you get six distinguished plans. You have the free plan, personal, premium, business, WooCommerce, and enterprise. Now, enterprise is obviously for huge companies out there, so we won't be needing this. But what we will need, if we want to make money off of our blog, for that we either need a business or commerce. But if we just want it to be a normal blog, then it could be personal or premium. Both of these, premium would be the good option, but for now, as an example, I'm just gonna go ahead and start with free. Now, once we do start with free, we're gonna end up over here. So, after we've selected our domain and hosting provider, the next step is to, configure your WordPress. Most hosting providers offer like the one-click setup and making the process easy for beginners, but you can also manually do it, as I am. You can also just skip to dashboard always directly if you want to, but I'm just going to fill this in. So what are your goals? Mine is to write and publish, obviously, because I'm making a blog. So search for category. It could, like let's say we want a sports blog, and we're going to continue. Blog name. Right now you can keep this blank if you want to, because you can change this later, totally optional. And obviously they're gonna say draft your first post, watch blogging videos, stuff like that. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and skip to dashboard right now to explain you the whatnot. So obviously the next step when we head into the dashboard is to customize our blog. Once WordPress is fully set it up, you can start customizing your blog by choosing a theme, adding plugins, and creating pages. WordPress has thousands of themes to choose from, both free and paid, and they are fully customizable. How amazing is that? So basically, first of all, what you're going to do is right now just go ahead and launch your site if you want to, or you can just skip it. But yeah, once we're here in our blog, what you're going to do is you're going to go up to appearance and you're going to go on themes. Now, once you're in themes, obviously over here, you can get tons and tons of different themes for your blogs. Choose any of them. Most of them are going to be free. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and let's choose a pretty good, decent looking one. So let's go with this. So Vetro looks pretty good, and it's also free, so good for us. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on activate this design, and what this will do is it's going to activate Vetro for your whole theme on the blog. Now, once that is done, let's go ahead and talk about plugins. Now, plugins are basically like apps for your blog and add extra functionality to it. You can basically add plugins for your social media sharing, SEO optimization, and even e-commerce. However, be careful not to install too many plugins as they can slow down your website. So if I were to skip to the dashboard, here are your plugins. You're going to come down here. Now to download your plugins, obviously, you're going to need to be upgraded to the business plan. Without that, you won't be able to download it. But once you've done that, you can download plugins easily. Creating your pages on your blog is also easy. You can create a home page, about us page, contact page, and any other pages you need. And how you're going to do that, just come to pages. Okay, and once you're in pages, just click on add new page. Now, once you click on add new page, as so, what's going to happen is you're going to get, all these different options to like what type of page you want to create, what should that page consist of. You can also get like a widget or something like that. So yeah, you can add different pages, like as you can see, coming soon, link in bio page, about me page, contact us page, modern blog layout, contact form, and more stuff like that. So you can just add pages as so. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to teach you how to create your first blog post. So to create your first blog post, what you're going to do is you're going to go on posts. And once you're in posts, you're going to click on add new post. And like if your blog is set it up, it's time to create your first blog post. So as I said, click on the post, tap on the WordPress dashboard, and then add new. Now, write your blog post in the text editor, add images and videos if you want to. And yeah, so I'm just going to write first post. And I'm going to add some exclamations. Hi, this is the first post. I am so excited. There we go. Now, once we've written that, what you're going to do is you're going to click on publish. And what that will do is it will publish this post onto your blog. So yeah, that's about it. That's how you publish posts onto your blog. How cool is that? So now what we're going to do is we're obviously going to head back onto the dashboard. Now, like once you've, created your pages, edited your themes and designs, created your posts, now what you're going to do is you're going to promote your blog. So after you've published everything, share your blog posts on social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Join more blogging communities, go to blogger.com and engage with other bloggers. You can also optimize your blog for search engines by using SEO plugins such as Yoast SEO or All-in-One SEO Pack. This will help your blog rank higher on search engine result pages and attract more visitors towards you. Also, keep creating content. Like the final step is to keep creating content for your blog. Like consistency is key when it comes to blogging. So create a content calendar and stick to it. Write about topics that interest you and your target audience. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful and I hope you have a good idea of how to create blogs now. If you do have a good idea, please drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more content like this in the future. But yeah, until then, I hope you all keep having a great day. That was all from me and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.